Hello, welcome to today's video and a few more things that are happening on the Discovery. There was a crack in here, so we plastic welded that crack. It was quite smashed up there, so we plastic welded all that together, filled and sanded it, and now we're going to paint it. Josh is just taping it all off, make sure no paint goes where we don't want it. We've welded in the arches today, so everything in there that got holes has been cut out and welded, that's all sorted. There's a little one at the back. I say little, it gets bigger every time.
The little one that's growing.
As you can see, so we'll get all that.
It was that big?
Yeah,
It's that big?
getting bigger. So we'll get all that out and weld over that and paint it. So that's a few little things that we're doing now. I'll show you the bonnet. It hasn't been polished yet, but it's drying. So, come out pretty well. Bit of this sort of Hello. Just cutting a piece of steel out to patch over the hole in the wheel arch. We've cut all the, I might be talking loud, I don't know, I've got these on. Am I talking loud? We're going to patch the wheel arch, so I'll just cut this out and tidy the edges up. And then we're going to weld it. We've cut all the rot out, so we're going to weld this over on the wheel arch and keep that nice and rust free, to keep the car on the road and keep it passing MOTs and stop it continuing to rust. So we'll do that now.
On.
So that's the patch we've got there. We've cut the rust hole out and we've cleaned up around the edges and we'll weld it in to there. I've just hammered that and bent it over into that shape because you want it as close to the arch as possible when you're welding it in. I am not a professional welder, but we'll get that patch on there, we'll get the welder over and get on with it. Get it in position, and then I'm going to go along it. I'm just going to stitch weld it. If we try and seam weld this, it'll blow holes and everything because it's on thin stuff. So we're going to do that now. So if you can see that, just welded it along the edge there, just done it in sections, moving up and down, just so we don't blow holes in it. And then I'll go along the bottom and along the top and down the side. So we'll continue to weld that. If you look through that camera, Josh, and don't look. So we'll just continue going along like that until that's all welded on there nicely. Then we can grind this off and then we'll paint it and everything should be sweet as a nut. We'll come back to you when I've finished welding the entire thing on and when it's painted up. So we've spot welded it all the way around, loads of little spots to make it into a seam weld but not blow the steel to pieces. Now we're going to clean it up with a grinder and then we're going to paint it. So there we are, it's all welded and we've painted that up. Paint round it a bit and then remember to paint over where you've got your earth because you don't want that starting to rust. So that's all patched up. The other side's fine, so we are going to do that, but the front wheel arch isn't brilliant, so that's going to be done as well. Yeah, so we get in there with this one. it won't be long before it's done. We've just got to get that, have a look at that speedo, because I think that's one of the main reasons it was sold cheap, because they couldn't fix the speedo. So I'm hoping we can. Please like and subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.